Guys, so here is Brainvita, and is a very simple solution which if you got to know, you can solve it very easily. So the trick is that this part and this part and this part and this part has to be empty. So how you do it? First you need to remove this by here doing this. Can you see this?
Jumping
I
over
am
this.
just putting it here and taking it here. Now this part has to be removed. This is gone. Got it? And take care these gaps should have to be empty. So
These positions
has to be empty. My father is helping me out in this. So this is another position which has to be emptied. Okay, so same thing we will do. Got it? Now again you have to rotate it like this, which will be very
again you have to repeat.
And now this position you have to be empty, and all these three positions you have to empty. So first you have to put this to here. Sorry. Okay, and then this here and this here. Okay, and this here and this here. Now same procedure we will do, and this time I will do little bit fast. Okay, now we will get some this 2 here, 1 2 3 4 5 here, and 3 and last one. So we have to take this one and move clockwise like this. Will go like this, and holding this one, and we have to go each on this. So it is here. Can you see? I am just holding this and removing all other
by hoping
pebbles.
Marbles.
Yeah, marbles.
You got a T.
So you got a T. Make sure in the last you will got a T like this. So put this here. No. First you need to put it here. No. Put it here.
Correct.
And then this here.
Correct.
Okay.
This here.
And
this here.
And you can get it here. So in the last you will which means you are a genius. So try this method and be a genius. Thank you for watching, and hit like and comment and subscribe.